Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2015 Ford F150, and the thing is with this truck, what I have is the oil change required. The light comes on. Okay, so if you need to get rid of this light, you do as follows: turn the car off, just put it to on position. Okay, so you get the lights on, but you don't start the car. Now, using this keypad, press OK, then find, using the all these arrows, find settings. Okay, settings, OK, then you go to vehicle, OK, then you find oil life reset, you press OK. So you have to hold OK, ding 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 ding, all life is reset. Okay, that's it. It's very simple, just like that. Okay, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye bye.